What's up guys, welcome back to Mikey Polis. Today we have a super fun video. I got my Things, People, Places garb on because we are doing another Things, People, Places episode, this time with some guys called Waterfront Restoration. The whole point of the Things, People, Places is looking for the super unique businesses that are right here in our backyard. This is certainly one of them. What Waterfront Restoration is it's a by the root weed removal service. They literally scuba dive down by your dock site, all around your boat, the area where you usually want to swim, but you got weeds that are all up in your feet, on you, tickling your legs, stuff you don't like. These guys scuba dive down in the water, hand pick everything, and then they rake them all with a big double-sided blade rake to clean your whole dock site area out so it's clean, ready to swim. So with that, can't wait to get to the water. I'm gonna throw all the gear in the truck and then head to the lake.
Yes, come on, shorty, let's go. Girl, I see you over there in the corner of the dance floor, and I know you're acting shy, looking at the corner of your eyes. So I pick my heart up off the floor.
Yeah, it's crazy how murky it gets so fast.
Yeah.
So how long have you been doing this?
This is my second year.
Okay.
So I was just a dive team member last year, and then leading a crew this year.
Sweet. How long have you been here?
This is my 5th week, my first year here.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's fun. It's like a good way to pass the time, but nothing else to do.
All right.
Yeah.
Nice.
Spending time in lakes, it's good. It's a good deal.
That's hard to beat that.
How y'all feel out there?
I'm light years, call me eons. When the snare kick in, the beat is neon. Lights, yeah, I'm feeling magnificent. Care less what I'm up against. Yeah, you know I stay fresh like peppermint. Right. And I dive head first when I jump in it. I run it back like a champ, won't fumble it. And you ain't gotta act.
Yourself?
Yeah, I'm feeling myself.
Are you feeling yourself?
Yeah, I'm feeling myself.
Are you feeling yourself?
Yeah, I'm feeling myself.
Are you feeling yourself?
Yeah, I'm feeling myself. Are you feeling yourself?
Yeah, I'm feeling myself.
Are you feeling yourself?
Yeah, I'm feeling myself.
Are you feeling yourself?
Yeah, I'm feeling myself.
Are you feeling yourself?
Who compares? Nobody compares. to roast. Too hot, turn the bread into toast. Nitro, hit the gas, adios. I pull up to the scene, I'm a boss. Over boss, I do the most. One bite, get the check by my nose. You feeling good like me? Here's a toast. I could do this all night, double dose. So contagious, no you.
So right now we're just going with these cutter rakes in the shallows, trying to get all the eelgrass. So eelgrass is, as you see here, and once we cut it, it'll float and then we can pick it back up. So it's kind of like mowing the lawn.
What a nice day.
It is.
You guys want to introduce yourself to the vlog?
I'm Kendall, I'm the marketing intern.
I'm Maddie, I'm the sales and marketing intern.
We're out making sure we're observing the shoot.
Doing some supervising.
Yes.
Supervising, exactly.
It's not uncommon to get.
Pool diving.
Yeah, no diving, but it was probably close to 1,000 pounds of weeds.
Jeez.
Yeah, that one was fun. We were all the way up in Alexandria doing that one, so that's why it was such a late day.
Yeah. What's the farthest you've traveled to do it?
I think that is the furthest because we were up on Ottertail Lake, which is 3 hours away.
Okay.
But we have a branch up in Detroit Lakes and then another one up in Brainerd, and we send crews up to Brainerd and we stay in a hotel for a week and do jobs up there to help out the crew up there.
Is the Detroit Lakes one new? Did you just
Yeah.
add that? Okay.
Just opened, I think, this year.
All right, guys, we are back home after that shoot. That was one of the most fun times I've had. You live on the water, you're looking to get your docks cleaned, I'm going to leave all the information for Waterfront Restoration down in the description box below. Thank you again to everybody who's been buying merch. Stuff has been flying off the shelves. I cannot thank you guys enough. The support is incredible, and what it does is it really helps fuel doing more videos like this. So if you dig the content today, please consider hitting that big thumbs up button. Drop a little comment down below if you have a unique business or you know someone that has a unique business that we can go talk to next. Trying to get up to 1,000 subscribers, so if you dig the content, please consider hitting that red subscribe button to follow along on the journey. Everybody who's subscribed so far, I love you so much. Thank you. Really appreciate it. Let's get more people on this journey. This is going to be a fun one. All right, guys, catch you on the next video. Bye.
Yeah, I'm feeling myself.
Are you feeling yourself?
Yeah, I'm feeling myself.
Are you feeling yourself?
Yeah, I'm feeling myself.
Are you feeling yourself?
Yeah, I'm feeling myself. Are you feeling yourself?
Yeah, I'm feeling myself.
Are you feeling yourself?